IRS Form 1095-C is the employer-provided health insurance offer and coverage form. Employers with 50 or more full-time employees are required to file this form for each full-time employee and provide a copy to the employee. It reports whether the employer offered health coverage, the type of coverage offered, and whether the employee enrolled. The IRS uses it to administer the employer mandate under the Affordable Care Act. Part 1 of Form 1095-C identifies the employee and the employer. Your name, SSN, and address appear in boxes 1 through 6. The employer's legal name, EIN, phone number, and address appear in boxes 7 through 13. If you worked for multiple companies in the same controlled group, you may receive a separate 1095-C from each employer or one consolidated form, depending on how the group files. Part 2 contains lines 14, 15, and 16 for each month of the year. Line 14 is the offer of coverage code, which indicates whether the employer offered minimum essential coverage and to whom. Line 15 shows the employee share of the monthly premium for the lowest cost self-only minimum value plan offered. Line 16 is the safe harbor and other relief code. Part 3, if completed, lists family members enrolled in self-insured coverage. You do not attach Form 1095-C to your individual tax return, but you should keep it for your records. If you enrolled in marketplace coverage and also received employer coverage, the information on Form 1095-C may affect your eligibility for the premium tax credit. If the form contains errors, contact your employer's Human Resources or Benefits Department. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.com. This is general information, not tax advice.